Got this vintage Nike center check. Like a low center check. It's like a 3/4 zip, size large. Baby blue colorway, so it's pretty fire. And then it's got the little back here right there. Tax on, but I'm still gonna have to pick it up. They're charging $20. Another Laker piece. Apex tag. It does got some stains on it, but it only asks for $6. So I have to scoop this, just throw it in some Oxy. Should be straight. Vintage Stussy, $5. Little trench coat, all black. Stussy hit right there. It's got the inner tag, but I can show y'all later. This is fire. Got this vintage Nike made in USA pair of shorts. It's weird, it's like scrunched here. Might be for Bay. And then right here, a little Tokyo single stitch Disney tee. Pretty fire. It's in actually really good condition. I'm gonna pick these two up. Slight little pickups. Bootleg Nike beanie. That check look kind of sus, but it's okay. Still gonna pick it up. Brown colorway. Then another essential Nike purple, still with the sticker on it. Haven't found one of these in a minute. Bootleg Nike Mickey beanie in the fire yellow colorway. $6. Yo, good morning, guys. It's been a crazy morning. I got here at like 5 o'clock at the Rose Bowl. I'm finally pretty much fully set up. You see the booth right here. I'm linked up with the homie. JB was good. But yeah, I'm here. It was nice and cold this morning too. I'm doing pretty good. I had no expectations today, but it's been smooth. I already made like low-key like 800. It's been like an hour. I mean, yeah, like 800. I wish I could show you guys everything, but like people were buying stuff while I was setting up, so I couldn't really do it. But we're here now. Got my seat right there, about to play some music, and we're gonna kick it and just chill all day. Let's go. All right, y'all. I'm gonna open this one right now. This was another eBay deal. Let's see it. Shaq Diesel.
There's someone standing in.
Yeah, man. $10 pile popping. Homies coming through. Copping the polo. Tommy. Steel on the Billionaire Boys Club. Yeah. Ninja Turtles.
Great prices for all these for $10 each.
Yes, sir. Appreciate you guys. Yeah, let me give you a view of what we got going on right now. This is the spot right here. Everyone's loving the $10 pile. I brought the fake grass from the shop. Alright, the homie right here, shout yourself out.
Yo, what's up, man? My name's on Instagram, The Mindset Counts. Just follow me, just give me a quick follow.
Appreciate it, bro. He watches me. YouTube. Let's go. Yeah. Alright. Homies pulled up. Cop the Nike shorts. Vintage white tag. Appreciate you, bro. Homies copping. Show the two T's. The Formula 1. That's fire. 1995 and the essential Nike. They pulled up. Cop the King starter.
Gas.
Appreciate you, bro.
I sent you 30.
Okay.
I'll take the hat too.
Okay, cool.
Thank you, man.
Appreciate it, bro. You have a good one. That whole pile is $10. Homie pulled
What's
up.
the name of your store, bro?
Copping the cozy.
Shout out to the man, Spazdina Flea.
Want to shout out your Instagram or anything?
Instagram, Bypassed, Reseller, Chrome Arts, Nike.
Hey.
Anything you need, I got it.
Appreciate you, bro. Pulled
Should I
up.
hold up what it is?
Yeah. Cop the tie-dye, Miami tee. Appreciate you.
Of course, thanks.
Homie came through and cashed out on the $10 pile, 10 pieces, and then he picked up the Betty. You want to shout out your store in Fresno?
What is that, brother?
You want to shout out your store?
Retro Park Vintage in Fresno, California.
Make sure y'all go check that out, man. Appreciate you, bro.
Thank you, man.
Yo, y'all just saw me unbag this eBay scoop and the homie pulled up and copped it real quick. Appreciate you, bro.
Thanks, man.
I'm not mad at you for
Taking that. Okay. Homie cop. The Harley Davidson Super Thrash, but that's worn to perfection. It's fire. Appreciate you, bro.
Thanks, bro.
Homie pulled up. Copped the Tommy and the Polo. Peep this though. Custom. Want to shout out your Instagram?
Yeah, it's the only villa. Come check us out from San Diego.
For sure. Appreciate you, bro.
I actually got this one off for you too.
Oh, you did? Yeah. Oh, fuck. I just realized that. Homie pulled up. Sad to see this one go, man. If it was an XL, I would have kept it. It's fire. Appreciate you, bro. Homie Don pulled up. What's good? Due Day Studios.
Yes, sir. Thank you,
All
bro.
of it. Shout out your store, bro.
Due Day Studios. Check us out on Melrose, 7361 Melrose Avenue.
Yes, sir. Banger. Homie's copying these. You want to flip it around? If only these were my size, man. Look at the shorts though. You got the two-tones. You already know I'm always rocking with these. Appreciate you, bro. Homie pulled up. Just copied the Iron Maiden. The glow in the dark. Appreciate you, bro. Yes, sir. Homie pulled up. Full suit. Took up the bootleg Nike leather joints. Appreciate you, bro.
Sure.
Hey, in the Raptors jersey. Pulled up. Copped the Lakers joint. Who's calling too? Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate it. Yo, it's good, guys. So we're wrapping up now. It got a little hot, so obviously you can see I took the hoodie off. But yeah, we're wrapping up right now. I'm about to pack up the car. It's like 2:30 right now. Don't mind the hair. I know it's crazy. Today was crazy, bro. I did hella good. I don't want to say the number, but I did hella good. Just a little over a 2-piece. But yeah, appreciate you guys. It's time to get home, go see the boo-boo, and I'm gonna have a little birthday dinner with my family. It was actually my birthday, like 4 or 5 days ago, so yeah. Okay, the boo-boo surprising your boy. Yes, that says 30. Your boy is 30 today. April 7. Don't mind the hair, it's all good. All right, let's get it.
Ready?
Turn the light, yeah. Sing for me, baby. All right, let's get it. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear.
And I have so many names. Aaron, A the barber. Aye.p. Ramirez.
Aye.p. Ramirez. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Make a wish.
All right,
Make it good.
one take, baby. I'm fully vaccinated, so it's all good.
Woo!
Let's pack up and go. Yeah. What's good, guys? Your boy just got home. As you can see, the fit did change. I had dinner with my parentals, mi familia, and the boo-boo. But yeah, so it's been a fun day. A very long day. Woke up at like 2:30 this morning, 3 o'clock. Got ready. Pulled up to the Rose Bowl. Cashed out. And yeah, left there at like 3:30-ish. Got home. Had to unload all the stuff into the shop. And then back home, got ready. Went to dinner with my family. It was a good way to end the day after a very long day, you know. It's always good to see family. Honestly, it feels great to be around family again because last year I didn't really get to see them because of coronavirus. But now, all of us are fully vaccinated, so we feel comfortable being around each other. And yeah, it's good times, man. But yeah, it's time for me to change out of these clothes, get comfy. I mean, we always stay comfy, but you know what I'm saying? Change into the sleeping clothes and then get ready for another day of thrifting, another week of thrifting. And yeah, hopefully we run this back for the Rose Bowl again next month. I'm gonna try to get a spot again, but we shall see. Once again, hope you guys enjoyed it. You already know slogan, so let's wrap it up to the coziest in the game. Amen to fashion, what is good?